Today we're going to talk about one of the most important things in crypto. It's the difference between people who keep losing money and those who over time manage to build real capital and profits. And the truth is, it's pretty simple, but most beginners don't hear it enough. There is no easy money here. If you can make money fast, you can lose it just as fast. That's why so many people who jump in, try to play traders for a few days or weeks, usually end up losing. But there are beginners who do make money, not because they are lucky, but because they think long term. They pick a few strong coins, they don't chase every shiny new object. They hold, they stay patient, and they make their coin work for them. Why does that work? Because the whole crypto ecosystem keeps growing. Adoption grows, users grow, technology grows, and the biggest networks usually win as time goes on. Now here's the key idea. Don't just wait for the price to go up. Focus on making your stack grow in number. That's why we call it capital efficiency. It means you're building more coins over time. So when price fall, your yield cushions the loss. And when price rise, a bigger stack multiplies your gain. That's what this video is all about. By the end, you will know the three main ways to earn yield in crypto, how they work, what the risks are, and how to start simple. Let's get into it. So what do we mean when we say yield? It's just earning income on the crypto you already own. And there are three main ways: staking, lending, and liquidity providing. Let's break them down. First one is staking. So staking is the simple one. You lock your coins on a proof of stake chain. You help secure the network, and the chain pays you rewards. Not every coin can be staked. Bitcoin is mined, not staked. Ethereum gives around 3% a year. Solana is usually closer to 6 to 8%. Some smaller coins pay more, but they are also more volatile. One thing to remember: staking doesn't protect you from price drop. If the token falls, the value of your stack can still go down. There are two kinds of staking: native staking, which is built in the blockchain itself, and project staking, which is just a smart contract program. I prefer native staking because the risk is basically the same as the holding the coin. The downside is you might have to wait a few days or weeks to unlock your coins. But if you are planning to hold for years, even a small yield compound into a bigger stack. Now let's talk about lending. This is where you deposit crypto into a protocol and other people can borrow it. They pay interest, you earn that interest. You can lend stable coins, wrapped Bitcoin, and more. The main risk here is the protocol itself. If there is a bug or an exploit, funds could be lost. That's why people stick to big audited platforms with high liquidity. They are safer, though nothing is ever risk-free. Then we have liquidity providing, or LP. This means you put your coins onto a liquidity pool on a DEX. Traders use the pool to swap, and you earn a share of the fees. Sometimes you also get bonus rewards, but there are risks. Here's the simple version. If one coin in your pair moves a lot in price, you might end up holding more of the weaker coin. With stable to stable pair like USDC and USDT, the risk is low. With volatile pairs like SOL and USDC, it's much bigger. Now some people go deeper, and every extra step means extra risk. Take staking. You can do liquid staking, where you get a receipt token like STETH or MSOL. That token stays liquid, so you can lend it or put it in a pool. It boosts return, but now you're trusting an extra contract. With lending, some people do loops: deposit, borrow, swap, deposit again. It makes your deposit base bigger, but if price move or fee rise, you can get liquidated fast. So if you do loops, always check your loan to value and your health factor. Leave breathing room. Don't max it out. With LP, you can go into concentrated liquidity. That means you provide liquidity only in tight price range. It can pay higher fees when price stay in range, but you have to adjust when price moves. So what I suggest here, for most people, the best move is to keep it simple. Stake some of your long-term coins, use safe lending or vault for stable coins, and only add complexity once you really understand the risks. Always ask yourself, where is the risk? And how could this break? If the yield looks crazy high, it's usually short term. If you like a simple path, buy on a trusted platform, set a regular DCA, then take your coins with a reputable validator. Turn on auto compound when it makes sense, and for security basis, use hardware wallet if you're holding a bigger stack. Turn on two-factor authentication, back up your seed phrases properly, and never sign a transaction you don't fully understand. So that's it for today. Crypto isn't just about waiting for a price to go up, it's about making your coin work for you. Start simple, stay safe, and let your stack grow while you're holding for the long term. Tell me in the comment which strategy you want me to cover hands-on next. Staking, stablecoin lending, or maybe liquidity providing with stable pair. I'm Lamia. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.